What's up guys, how you all doing? Paul the Tech Giant here, and tonight I'm going to be doing a screen uniformity test on this 48-inch Philips 807 OLED. Now this is a test that I like to conduct on all the TVs that I get, but I've never actually done this sort of test on a Philips TV. But these TVs do have an LG panel, so it should be interesting to see how it compares to LG TVs that I've tested in the past. Now what we will be checking for in this video is for any vertical banding, what the general screen uniformity is like, so if there's any patchiness or anything like that, any dark areas, and any dead or stuck pixels. Okie dokie, first starting off then with a 5% grayscale, and I just want to point out that this TV has been fully running now. It's been running for a good few weeks, so yeah, should be all bedded in nicely. And wow, that is looking really nice indeed. Now I was going to mention this at the start of the video, but I forgot. But generally, the smaller the OLED panel, the better the results have been, in my personal experience. We seem to have more issues with like the sort of 65-inch models over maybe like the 55-inch ones. Now this is a 48, and yeah, that is looking very good. Certainly nothing, tragic there at all. We've had ones before on the channel, really big, prominent lines. Slight sort of dark areas there, but we are really sort of nitpicking now. Moving round, and yeah, that is looking pretty good. We are getting a bit of a pink shift going on there as I move around, but the camera is really emphasizing this. Now I've got to be totally honest with you, in person, looking with my own eyes, not through the camera, realistically I can hardly see anything at all. There's maybe just over here, there's it's not really picking up on the camera, like a slightly lighter patch, but we are, like I said, really nitpicking. That is looking really good. I am very impressed. Right, next moving on to a colour sweep now then, and first starting off with a nice bright white. Now it should shift to some other colours, and again, looking nice and mint there. Going on to a blue. Look at that, looking really good. Can't see any real patchiness or anything there as it scrolls through. Now generally I do stop it on some of the colours, but I have noticed something, and it's something negative. What we're going to do is we're going to stop it on the red. Now the reason why I've stopped it on the red is because I noticed something just before I start recording this segment, and it shows up really well on the red. So if we go in close, and we have a look for any dead or stuck pixels. Go along the top of the screen here. Trust me, it's all good. I've looked in close detail until we get nearer the end. Oh, can you see that just there, guys? Oh dear. Looks like we have a stuck pixel. What a nightmare. Now, I'm sure they wouldn't replace the whole panel for that one pixel. They allow a certain amount. And this is why I do these tests. This is a real world test there. And yeah, a bit of a nightmare. Lucky enough, this isn't my TV. This has just been sent for testing. It is only the one though. I have searched the rest of the panel, and it all looked good to me. So I won't drag you round houses looking at all that, but trust me, overall it's been a real good result, apart from that, like I say, one dead pixel. Right, so yeah, that's an interesting result there, and I'd love for you guys to hit me up in the comments section and let me know exactly what you would do in this situation if this was your TV. Now, would you send the TV back over that one dead pixel? Being honest, if you were sitting on the sofa at a normal sort of viewing distance, you ain't gonna ever see that thing there. But if you did know it was there, would you want to send this TV back and get another one? Or knowing it's not really got any vertical banding, it is absolutely mint apart from that one stuck pixel or dead pixel, would you put up with it and just say, better the devil you know? Well, there you go then, guys. Now do us a favour, if you do appreciate my honesty in this video, spare me a second of your time to just reach up and hit that thumbs up button. Really does help the channel out. And if you want to see more videos like this in the future, then make sure you hit that subscribe button. So thanks very much for joining me today. Hopefully catch you guys on next one. Bye for now.